They say college is the best time of your life. Pero bakit pakiramdam ko, unti-unti akong nauubos?
One more slide. Tapos just na talaga. Nice. Extended ang deadline.
Burnt out doesn't always scream. Minsan tahimik lang. Nakatago sa mga ngiti, sa mga okay lang, at sa mga kaya pa.
Guys, I need you to pass your reflection paper tomorrow, okay?
Uy, okay ka lang? Parang bagsak energy mo ah.
Oo, kailangan ko. Puyat lang to.
Sure ka? Kahapon pa yung puyat mo.
I'm fine, Candice. Promise.
Wait, kamusta thesis mo?
Okay naman. Auntie na lang ng revision.
Buti naman. Tara lang.
Behind every okay lang is someone trying not to fall apart. We've mastered the art of pretending. Pretending we're fine, when in truth, we're barely holding on. We celebrate productivity like it's proof of worth. Pagod ka? Work harder. Di mo kaya? Walang choice. Pero kailan pa naging sukatan ng halaga ang pagod?
Kaya ko to. Kaya pa.
We break quietly because crying feels like failure. Because saying I'm tired sounds like a weakness.
Uy, kanina pa kita hinahanap. Bakit hindi ka umattend kagabi?
Hindi ko na kaya, Candice. Every day feels like I'm chasing something I can't even answer.
You don't have to chase all the time. Sometimes, you just need to stop and breathe.
Nakatakot tuminto. Parang pag di ako gumalaw, parang mawawala lahat.
Eh di mo wala. Baka yun yung simula ng totoo mong okay.
This part of my life, this part here, it's called running. Running from failure, running from expectations, running from myself. But maybe it's time to stop running. Healing doesn't mean you're never tired again. It means you've learned to rest without guilt. Because sometimes saying I'm not okay is the bravest thing you'll ever do.